Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram instance option not showing on iPhone. So let's get started. So the first method is that you can simply go to any of the web browser and search for instagramdownloaddetector.com. So here you'll be able to see all of the reporting problems. If Instagram servers are down, you'll simply need to wait until the issue is resolved. If there aren't any server issues, then you can try clearing Instagram's cached data. So you can go to settings and then over here you're going to click on general and then you're going to click on iPhone storage. In the list, you're going to search for Instagram. So simply click on Instagram and you should see the button of offload app. Simply click on that. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. In essence, it will simply clear your cache and then you'll be able to see an install button. Simply click on that and then reopen Instagram to see if the feature has returned. Next, you gotta make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. So you're gonna open App Store and you're gonna search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, simply click on that and make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. You should also check for an iOS update. Simply go to settings, go to general, and here you're going to click on software update. If any software update is available, you're going to simply install that and restart your iPhone. Another method is to refresh the instance option settings. So you're going to go to Instagram and click on your profile at the bottom right corner. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. And here you're going to search for content preferences. Simply search for that and you'll be able to see a couple of options. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to see hide instance in inbox. So you're going to turn it on, wait for a few seconds, and then switch it back off. If the problem still isn't fixed, then you're going to reinstall the Instagram app. So you can simply press and hold the Instagram icon. You can choose remove app and then the delete app option. After that, download Instagram again from the App Store, sign back into your account and check if the instant option feature is available. If none of these solutions work, this feature may not yet be available for your account or region, and you will need to wait for Instagram to enable it through a future update.